Holly Giles, the author of Blaze New Trails, and I'd like to welcome you to Blaze New Trails Academy and our back porch here at the Giles Frontier. Our video course is designed to help you make the most of Blaze New Trails. Now, some of you might have purchased it at a convention that we've seen you at, and maybe it's collecting dust on the shelf. Others may have recently purchased it and you're very excited about getting started. And some of you may still be thinking about if it's a right fit for your family. Well, I wanted to make the course to show you that Blaze New Trails is very simple and easy to use across multiple ages, year after year. So this one book can serve your family for years to come. Now, some of you might be thinking, well, if the book is so easy to use, why did you have to create a course? I think many people believe that nature study has to be separate from subjects and education in their daily life. And my passion and goal is to show you how it's all intertwined together. The first thing we're going to do is answer a couple questions together. And I have a printout that you can print and answer the questions. And I think it's very important that you write it down and see it. We're going to revisit them toward the end of the course. The first question is, what is your philosophy of education? Why are you homeschooling? Are you homeschooling for religious purposes? Is the school system near you not up to par? Or do you have a child or children who just learn differently? There are no right or wrong answers, and you're the only one that's going to see it, but I encourage you to write it down. Question number 2 is, what's important to you in education? Not to your neighbor next door, not to the homeschool family down the road. What is important to you? Is it important that you touch on the 3 R's each and every week? Is it important that you have a box curriculum that you can follow letter for letter and touch on all subjects across the board? Or do you have more of an eclectic style where you bring things in as needed and really educate through a learning lifestyle like we do here at the Giles Frontier? Again, no right or wrong answer. It's just going to help you see how Blaze New Trails can fit into your philosophy. Now, my last question, I call my wild card, is, in your wildest dreams, if the school mentality never existed in your mind, what would education look like in your home? Now, this means there's no fear on if your child is up to par. There is no stress about grade level. There are no pressures from outside sources. This means that school, the idea of school, has never entered your mind before. What would that look like in your home? Again, nobody else is going to see it, so write down whatever that looks like for you. Now, each week we're going to come in and discuss one of the chapters of Blaze New Trails and dig a little bit deeper and show you how you can expand on the ideas that are in the book, how you can use them with what you're already doing in your home, how you can use it on the weekends, and how you can bring it into each season no matter where you live. Our first chapter, of course, is on parks. And again, I have a few printouts for you that are going to get you going. Now, the good news is, if you are a type A personality, we have a lot of printouts for you to help you organize these ideas. And if you're sort of a I live in chaos kind of personality like me, you're going to do just fine too. So next up, we're going to work on Lesson 1, Parks.